Hello English friends, this is my first video of 2026 and today I want to share something important. Not theory, not grammar, but real life experiences. Today's topic is very simple. Why English can change your life and why you should seriously focus on learning English in 2026. See, in India, English is not just a language. English is a brand. It increases your brand value, your confidence, your personality, and your overall presence. It completely changes the way people look at you and the way they treat you. And I'm not saying this just like that. I have seen this happen again and again. And many people tell me this, sir, I don't need English because I work in a local job. I'm not in IT field. I'm not a doctor. I'm not an engineer. So why should I learn English? Yes, this thinking is very common, but honestly, it's also very dangerous because let me explain why. One of my students recently came to me and said, "Sir, I got a job." Actually, he is working as a marketing executive in a multinational company, but actually, when he was trying for a job, the market was very competitive. He wasn't getting good opportunities. But you know what happened? Because of his English communication skills, he got an opportunity to work as a trainer in a multinational company. When he went to deliver his first presentation, he was calm, confident, and clear, and the management was very surprised. Why? Not just because of his marketing knowledge, but because of his communication in English. This is the power of English. My friends, it's not just about technical or professional skills. If you have good English communication, you open many doors like teaching, training, customer facing roles, leadership positions, etc. Remember, English multiplies opportunities, right? And many women tell me, sir, I'm a homemaker, so I don't need English. But during parent teacher meetings, they feel stuck. They don't understand clearly and they can't express confidently. And that feeling, it hurts a lot. Okay, so those who communicate well in English are listened to. They are taken seriously. That's the reality. And today, even from home, women with good English are working in customer support and they are earning well. And if you are into business, just try one thing. Use English once and see the difference. Architects, self-employed professionals, marketing consultants, when they pitch into English, people listen more carefully. They take you seriously. They are ready to pay more. English changes the game. Yes, English changes the game. Even while traveling, airports, hotels, trains, banks, police stations. When you speak in English confidently, the attitude of people changes. Simple words like excuse me work like magic. I have seen it and my students have experienced it so many times. English is not just a skill, it's a tool, a powerful tool. If it gives you confidence, respect, opportunities, and a strong identity. So now I want to ask you something. Why do you want to learn English in 2026? Not just for a job, but for life. Write it in the comments. I really want to read your answers. We focused so much on marks, degrees, certificates, but in real life, communication matters more. Okay, so no matter your field, no matter your age, no matter your background, if you master communication in English, your life moves to the next level. And I'm here to help you step by step. So don't worry, don't touch grammar for now. Focus on communication. Let's make 2026 the year we build confidence, clarity, and strong communication skills in English. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to our channel English Friend 360, and share it with someone who needs this message. Thank you so much for watching and take care and see you in the next video. Bye.